your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode, all right? Record an empty background for a few seconds, all right? Then after that, you can now just walk into the scene, all right? Then you do as if you jump up, then you stay there for a few seconds. Then after that, you can now just walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace, guys. Click on your video and locate volume. Click on volume now. Click it, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. Mark out an empty background for the video, come back, click here, make a split. Go and look for overlay. Look for overlay. Click on overlay now. Click on the background. Look for freeze, guys. Locate freeze, okay? Click on freeze now. Click it and drag it, all right? You come back and click on your video now and drag your video to the beginning. Then you click it now and go and look for remove BG. Locate remove BG, okay? Click on remove BG, auto removal. Allow it to remove completely. As you can see, it's applying, all right? Just a size patient, okay? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? Welcome to the tutorial. Welcome back. Now it has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. So at this point, locate where you want the video to start from. Make a split. Delete this first part. We don't need it again. Click this one and drag it to the beginning. So at this point, we are going to be adding key. You click on the video right now. You add keyframe, okay? Then you crop this image, your image, and take it up. Take it up completely. Then you adjust the video a little bit. Then you drag it down and start pulling it out. Make it to fit the screen. Just pull it out until it fits the screen. So look at what it will look like. This is what it will look like. Good. So at this point, you move a bit, then you make a split. Click and make a split, all right? Add key again. Add keyframe again. Then you adjust a bit and cropple the video. Just cropple it, cropple the image, the character, cropple the character. After cropping the character now, all right, let us just see what it's going to look like. After cropping it, let's just see what it look like, okay? Good. Good. So at this point, you click on the video. We are going to be making a split. So make a split here. Delete that last part. Click on this one and cropple it to the key, to the point of the key. Then you leave it. After cropping it now, you leave it. Then the next thing is click anywhere and click on add overlay. Add overlay, click it. Then you import your green screen pussycat. Look at it there, import it. Then you go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, chroma key. Then you drag it, mark on that good and go back. Click it again. Locate adjust now. Click on adjust. Go and look for HSL. Look for it. Click on it now. Mark on green. Reduce the saturation to 100. Click on that good and go back. So at the point now, we are going to be adding key again. As you drag it down, you add your key. So add your key now. Then you cropple the cat. Cropple the cat now. Cropple the cat. After cropping the cat, you want to adjust the video a bit. Then you pull the cat out again. Look at what I am going to be doing now. Pull the cat out. Pull the cat out. You want to transform yourself into a cat. Pull the cat out. Then after that now, we are going to play it from the beginning just to see how it look, all right? So play it from the beginning. Let us see the result of the video. Good, good. So this is nice, all right? Look at it again. Good. So at this point, we mark out the unwanted parts of the video. Just stop here, click here and make a split. And you click on the green screen and make a split. Then you delete this part. You click on this one and delete it as well. All right. Then you do your necessary adjustment. At this point, I think, I am sure that this video is ready What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. Then after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me. Then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But there is another thing you want to understand about this video. Remember, you used auto remove BG, which is a pro features, and you are not a pro member. All right, if you try to export this video now, cannot be able to export it. All right, but don't worry, we have got you covered. In one of my video there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Go and watch the video. You will learn and know how you will export this your video with ease, and after that you export your video to your gallery and share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, don't forget, if you need that green screen card, don't forget to DM me, then I will send it to you. All right, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.